Here you go. All right. So once a while, I got this particular guy saying bad about my things.
જોર વિચાર કરવાનું ને મોજમાં રહેવાનું. મોજમાં.
जब हम कंटेंट सोचने बैठते हैं कि हमें क्या डालना है, तो उसके पीछे काफी सारी चीजें हम पढ़ने लगते हैं. इस टाइम पे डालो, ये कंटेंट का टैगलाइन होना चाहिए, ऐसे हैशटैग यूज करो. तो जब हम कंटेंट लिखते हैं, उसकी स्क्रिप्ट रेडी करो, तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है कि क्या डालें और क्या ना डालें. ऐसा सोचने में कि लोगों को वैल्यूएबल भी लगे, और वो ऐसा भी ना लगे कि आपने कुछ भी बना के डाल दिया है,
Got
और
it?
आपने जो आप समझाना चाह रहे हो वो एक इजी लैंग्वेज में सामने समझ में भी आए.
Yep.
तो मतलब उसको फिगर आउट कैसे करेंगे कि आपको क्या कंटेंट करना है, कैसे उसको बनाना है.
Can you see something like this? Jor captions. ठीक है?
यस.
My only philosophy is if you want to do anything online, you keep documenting your experiences. Once you start documenting your experiences, it will be always there with you. Now, this documentation part is something which people are taking in the wrong way. Why? Because Gary Vee ne bola document over create. So people think that Gary Vee की जैसे डॉक्यूमेंट मतलब उनको एक डी-रॉक चाहिए, एक फिल्मोग्राफर चाहिए या वीडियो में रिकॉर्ड करना है. नो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. Document in the sense, if you are getting a random idea, then you can also type a caption. So let's suppose I documented this. Here you go. All right. So once a while, I got this particular guy saying bad about my things. All right. Somebody told me that Digital Pratik, stick to marketing. Don't say something about crypto because you are not a trader. And I'm like, he's judging me as a trader where I'm not trading. So मैंने अपने thoughts, I was sitting and thinking that what will I reply if I have to reply? And that's where I started typing in my notes section. All right. And it became it became an article like this, a small little article like this. So I documented this. And now this became a LinkedIn post. This also became a Twitter thread. This is now becoming a part of discussion on a Zoom call with you guys. This happened only because I documented without worrying about content का title क्या होगा, without worrying about कल मैं क्या पोस्ट करूं, without worrying about keyword tools, without worrying about लोगों को क्या पसंद आएगा. All I'm doing is, if I'm good enough, I'll keep on documenting. Because this will give you two things. One, it will give you enormous amount of content. Number two, it will tell you whether you are good enough or not.
Yes.
Because when you do this thing over a period of time and you keep on posting, if people are not liking it, that means you're not good enough in expressing your thoughts. You're not good enough in documenting your journey. Or probably you don't even have experiences which are worthy enough to document. But in the now, if I say that I was not worthy, yes, I was not worthy of documenting my life in 2014, but still I was doing that. And that's the reason why I'm successful in 2021. Because I was not worried about being successful in 2014, 2013, 12.
Yes, sir.
Baby steps. आपके 2 या 3 क्वेश्चंस जो भी है ना नम्रता, it revolves around, अगर आप सर्कल पूरा घूम लोगे ना तो सेंटर में बात एक ही रहेगी. You have to take very small little baby steps one at a time and then do that consistently for at least 90 days. I know this is tough. We are going through tough periods. Job चली जा रही है, income नहीं होती है लोगों की. I completely understand. But अगर वही सोच के हम जो है वो नहीं कर पाएंगे तो और भी बदतर हो जाएगी जिंदगी. Instead, let's take responsibility. Let's do something. It was honestly, it was a mess for me for shifting my office space to home studio. It was a mess. All right, it was a mess. Plus, मेरे लाखों रुपए घुस गए वो अलग. You know, so people think that just because I'm smiling and always putting out content and all those things go हा मजा आ गया, ये वो डिजिटल प्रतीक की लाइफ तो जिंदगी सॉर्टेड है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. हर एक की जिंदगी में अपने लेवल के प्रॉब्लम्स और स्ट्रगल होते हैं. हमेशा याद रखना.
For sure.
ठीक है, चलो, गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड गुड नाइट. Yeah, please.
screenshot.
Sure.
Yeah, done. Thank you
All
so
right.
much, sir.
Thank you
Have a
so much.
good
God
night.
bless you. You too. Bye.
જોર વિચાર કરવાનું ને મોજમાં રહેવાનું. મોજમાં.